and welcome to our YouTube channel. I'm Javaria Malik. Today I'm sharing a poem that explores the beauty and complexities of life. Join me as I delve into the human experiences through my words. Nature depends our inner selves. We all delve into delight. Some storms remind us of life's meaninglessness, and some words challenge man's pain's threshold. That green scenery brightens the eyes, just like the moon brightens the sky. The scattered petal of white roses reminds me of Eden garden. The life of poet is like a barren land, yet they nurture the seed of hope in sand. So don't be scared, life's journey never spared. One may die to birth victory, so I go on my words as my soul.